Now that you chose your cutting board, let's go and set up your station for maximum productivity. We're going to start by placing on our surface a mat that is anti-slippery, just like this one right here. If you don't have something like that available, there's another option, which would be a paper towel, a kitchen towel like that. Just wet it and make sure when you put it down that it's completely flat. So when you put your cutting board on top, it's not wiggly. We want to avoid any kind of wiggliness. The reason why we do this is for your cutting board to be safe. The safer it is, the more fast you're going to be when you're cutting and the more safe you're going to be. So now that we got that out of the way, put your cutting board here. I want you to also place a napkin or a kitchen towel basically on your surface so you could place your knives. We want our knives to be handled with care, so this way they're safe and they're always in the same spot. So if I want to grab my knife, I always know where it's at. Don't put your knife on your cutting board because that is not very safe. So always place it right back here. I want you to also put here any kind of other utensils that you might need, such as maybe a peeler. Now we're gonna go to something that I really love. So this is a scraper, and I use it whenever I'm cutting a lot of onions. This makes it easy for me to pick up anything that I want, so I could drop it in the pot or on this side maybe. It also helps me to basically clean my cutting board. So I love this. Maximum efficiency. Now, if you have any liquids on your cutting board, you're gonna need a rag. So sometimes we cut tomatoes or we cut something that releases some juice. So always have a rag to clean your cutting board. This will also make it safe for you to go to the next ingredient. Where do we keep our ingredients? I love to get either a bowl or a tray, go to the refrigerator and basically shop. You create like a little shopping cart. You put all your ingredients here and they're all kept together in the same spot. The reason why we want them on the left is because usually when you're working, you grab ingredients from the left, you cut them in the middle, and you dump them off on the right-hand side. So when you bring them to the middle, you might need to clean maybe an onion or peel a carrot. So you're gonna use a garbage bowl, and as you see, I use this to put this towel that I'm not gonna use. So basically use this for anything that you wanna disregard, and it's readily available. If you wanna dump it, you could take the whole thing. So less trips, faster again. Now we need a third container, and this is where we will put all the things that we cut. And I like to place them like this, so they kept separate. So if I have something cooking, I could put all the ingredients here. My cutting board is clean, free, which will make me faster. The last thing I want to add, if you are cooking, preparation is everything, so make sure you have a little holder for your spoons. And right here, you're ready. Now that our station is set up for success, let's go to the next lesson where you will learn how to hold a knife.